How to recover permanently deleted files and folders from Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will guide you how you can recover permanently deleted files and folders from Google Drive. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, head towards your drive, and if you have permanently deleted some of your files and folders, and even if you cannot find it on your trash, and if you want to recover it, here's what you can do it. If you can recover from your trash, you could simply restore it from the trash. But in case if you cannot find it on your trash, then open up a new tab, and in the search bar type in Google Drive file recovery request. Search for it. Now from the search results, you can go to the first link on your interface that says recover or deleted file in Google Drive. Scroll down a bit. Here you have an article that will help you recover your deleted file. And here you have an important notice that says permanently deleted files from Gmail, Google Photos, or WhatsApp backup cannot be recovered. If you scroll down a bit, here you have an option to request for file recovery. And if there is any file that is recoverable, or if it can be recovered, those files will be recovered and you can request for it. If you scroll down a bit, here you have a section that will guide you how you can recover your file. So if you have a computer, you can go with that. You can also go for the Android and for the iPhone and iPad as well. Now to request for the file recovery, click on it and then you can submit your request. After that, any files that can be recovered or any possible file that can be recovered will be recovered after this request. So click on request file recovery. That's gonna take you to a different page and it will verify your identity. So complete your verification. So once you're verified, scroll down a bit and here you have an option. It says before you begin file recovery for your account, you can check your trash or search your drive to make sure that you're searching for is not here. If you click on this drop down here, you have certain instructions there as well. Here you can go with no. Click on continue. Again, scroll down a bit and here click on request file recovery. Then it says we have received your Google Drive recovery request and this is your ID. After that, you should receive an email with the results in next hour. So all you have to do is wait for an email where you have an instructions, or if there's any file that can be recovered, you will find your recovered file placed in your original location in your drive. That's what it says here. So you have to wait for an email and check on that email. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.